Good morning, early March, inland Northwest. 30 degrees, almost 40 degrees today. So we're actually just doing kind of a shop day. This is one of our trucks here. I don't think I may have shown this damage. One of our suppliers ran into this side with a forklift, and we got a quote to get it fixed and everything. And in an effort to not have this truck down for a week, which the body shop said they needed, I went looking for another full-size bed that we could have painted to match, and then we could just swap it out one day. And in my search to find an 8-foot bed, I found a bed that's the exact same color. So I drove 2 hours out of town, actually, down into the Palouse to find this bed. Didn't pay I paid $1,000 for it. So I mean, it's a pretty good deal, and it's in really good shape. Has the same exact bed liner that ours has. Means this guy bought this truck from Dave Smith in St. Mary, or Kellogg, Idaho. Sorry, Kellogg, Idaho, which is where I bought mine and that one. So we're gonna work on the pump too, probably a little bit. But our job site that we were on got red flagged because the excavation is sketchy. So they're dealing with that. So instead of starting another project, we decided to swap this out today, and then we're going to work on this a little bit too. So anyways, that's kind of what we're doing. No concrete work, just some maintenance stuff, I guess.
See how easy that is. You want to try the ratchet?
Sure. Yep.
Oh, I guess yeah. Okay.
We'll get you some slack.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, go up just a hair more, Cal. Okay. Okay. Let's put the pump on her. That looks pretty good. Yeah, come down a little bit. Okay, hold that. Scout, I'm gonna go grab that filler. You got this? Yeah, it's not gonna do anything. Okay. I think we're looking good. Yeah, that side's already down.
Is it lined up right there? Okay, alright, let's we'll go down.
Whoa. Far, bro. Jackknifed her. There we go.
Well, there we have it. The bed's on. Oddly enough, the color still doesn't match. So that bed I had painted in the past. It had been hit before and had been painted. This bed, it is the same color, but this side has definitely been painted before. There's some scratches from my ratchet straps, which I'm gonna try to take care of. But hey, we got it on. There's the old bed, and man, is it dirty. It is dirty. Where the rack was, this one's definitely a little cleaner. Definitely wasn't a work truck bed. Rough looking tailgate. The other side matches better, for sure. But hey, it's all back together and ready to go back to work, which we are really soon. So, of course, the phone is blowing up. Everybody wants to get going. Now spring is sprung, kind of. But, you know, the ground here at the shop isn't terrible, but in other places it's still muddy and frozen here and there. So we're going to work on the pump tomorrow a little bit. We're going to have some lunch now. So, but that is the switch over for the truck. It's back in business again, ready to go to work.